I'm so excited. I literally have been up till 1 o'clock in the morning working on Gemini CLI. Now, I had avoided doing this because I thought it was particularly technical and for programmers. And what I've got to tell you is it is not. Now, Gemini CLI is the interface that a programmer might use to generate an application. And it looks really, really foreboding because it's a terminal and there's lots of stuff whizzing around with agents. But take a moment to have a look at this technology at home. I've been building apps for myself over the weekend, and it is remarkable. You do not need to be technical. You talk to the app. It's like it's a programmer, your own personal programmer just sat there, urgently waiting to code stuff for you. Now, can you imagine having that at work? And I think this is a profound idea. You know, we've been using agents to try and optimize processes, and that's brilliant. But the fact is, an AI agent is a new way to do things, and it's loaded with all the questions that we have. Safety, dependency, is it going to hallucinate? Whereas when I build an app is something that I get and I understand. And I think this is really important because when you stop and think about it, how many apps do you think didn't get built over the last 30 years because it was too costly, we didn't have the resource, no one had the time to work on it? Yeah, exactly. A lot. And each of those apps had an amazing opportunity to deliver value to the business. What if you gave those business users their own personal developers so they could build their apps? I think the value there is enormous. And so I encourage you to look at Gemini CLI, look at this technology, lean into it, because it's not as scary as it feels. But you do need to put some guardrails if you're going to use this in the office. So sit down with your IT organization, get someone involved with you and them, so ensure that you're doing it in a way that they're going to support afterwards. But if you haven't done it yet, CLI is the way forward. Those 3 letters could change the way we think about business, AI, and apps. See what you think. Let me know what you do.